The best way to help your sales team sell efficiently is by automating your entire sales process. Choose a trigger event to kickstart your automation, like when a new lead is added or when a lead submits a form on a landing page. Next, distribute your leads to agents or sales groups in a round-robin manner based on location, course interest, work shifts, and lots more. You can even set lead assignment quotas to prevent your agents from getting overburdened. Cut your response times by setting up escalations. So for example, after a lead is assigned to an agent, wait for about 2 hours and check if the agent called the lead. If not, create an escalation task for the agent. Also send him a follow-up email saying something like, "This lead hasn't been contacted. Let's call him ASAP." Based on call disposition, you can even set up positive flows to update the lead stage to a hot lead, add him to a list, or send him an exciting offer on email or WhatsApp. From distributing leads to delegating tasks, updating data, sending out emails, and even interacting with other business software using webhooks, LeadSquared automation can do it all.